Okay, so hi guys, good evening. Welcome to Post Market Analysis on 24/11/2025. And yeah, coming to today's market, we had seen a kind of a slightly gap up opening, and yeah, just followed by that kind of consolidation a bit, but it was not a kind of trending on the early hours, and post which we had seen a drastic drop, and all the levels which we marked last day, which means 26,052, 26,000 and 26,000, so 25,970 and 25,924. So all the levels were actually marked on our last days, which means on Friday's analysis, and all the levels got respected. But looking on to the overall market today, okay, so initially the market just rebound after this gap filling from 26,000, and again came to the day's high, near it came to near to the day's high, and after that, okay, so after that what we had seen is a kind of a drop down. The same on Bank Nifty also. On Bank Nifty also we had seen near to 59,200 on on that level. So even though the level of 59,300 where the gap will be mostly filling, it didn't happen, and post which it came to a consolidation till 2 o'clock, and after that it also drops down. Looking onto the sectors, looking onto the sectors, if you watch Nifty Realty drop down by near to 2%. Okay, so that was a kind of drastic fall we had seen, and another one is like the auto. Okay, the auto sector was also showing a bearishness. Looking onto Nifty on the daily time frame, if you watch here, so last week fully we were actually on a bullish trend till Friday. Okay, on Friday what we had expected was a kind of a small profit booking, post which we were also expecting it to sustain. But today it again came down, and 25,900 will be again a key level, below which 25,800 will be the next level, which we will be watching for the next day. It means 25,800. Okay, near to 25,800. And on Bank Nifty, again today we had seen a small correction, and down below again 58,000 will be the key level. Got it. And going to today's market, we can see the losers. The main losers are Bharat Electronics, Mahindra, Tata Steel, Ultratech Cement, Bajaj Finserv, Tata Motors are the losses of the day. Let's start off with Bharat Electronics Limited. Bharat Electronics Limited had made near to 3% of fall on today's move, and the gainers are actually Tech Mahindra, Asian Paints, Infosys, Adani Ports, and Sun Pharma. Okay, so these are the actually the bullish stocks of the day. And looking on to the FIA DI data. Okay, so let's look on to FIA DI data. Okay, so FIAs are on the selling side. We can see like the global cues. Okay, especially from last week onwards, the buyers were bit more active comparing to today's big move towards the downside. What we had seen is an optimistic side from the buyers, especially on the institutions. But gradually on since Friday, we are actually seeing a drop down on the FIA buyings. Okay, especially on the global cues and the global news and inter trade. So India US trade deal also now happening. So that all can be affect this particular move on Nifty. And as per the technicals, also 26,000 was a crucial level. So tomorrow, okay, so tomorrow what I'm expecting is a kind of flat start, and again the market will be mostly rebounding near to 26,000. Okay, so these levels are still stable, and down below 25,870. Okay, 25,870 will be another level, and below the 25,800 will be the next level on Nifty. Whereas on Bank Nifty, this level of 58,600 will be one of the main level, and below which 58,463 will be the next level, where I'll be mostly looking for a reversal. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting. But tomorrow, if it is a flat start on the early hours, I'm expecting a bullish move, a slight bullish move on Bank Nifty again. Okay, so looking on to Sensex also on the daily time frame, if you watch, it's also showing a kind of correction. But again, 84,637 is one of the key level where I am expecting the market to bounce back if this further coming down. And on Reliance also, it is on the daily time frame, it's actually forming a reversal pattern. And on HDFC Bank again, it's a kind of highly volatile day. On ICICI Bank coming to the trend line which we marked last day. Okay, so these are the news of the day, and we'll be also watching the overnight news as well, and we'll be seeing uh, on the pre-market analysis tomorrow morning. And so there was actually a selling pressure on the auto sector and auto sector, the IT sector, the IT sector. Okay, yeah, especially on the IT sector where we had actually seen a kind of bullish move, or a gap up move since opening, and after that a good rally was there. So if you look on to last week, IT and auto was something which was actually pushing the market upside, but now the sentiment is now being reversing. Okay, so we'll be seeing on the pre-market tomorrow morning. So overall, so these are the levels. Tomorrow I'm actually expecting a kind of flat to the small bullish move, and again 26,000 will be the one of the key level on Nifty and on Bank Nifty. So these are the levels on the bullish side on Bank Nifty again. So the level of 58,900, sorry, 59,000, near to 59,000 I'm expecting bounce back. So this is the range on Bank Nifty. Okay, so we'll see you on the tomorrow's pre-market.